Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. If you look right behind me, guys, those are my cucumbers right there. And today video, guys, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to give you a little tip on how to grow cucumbers in a container. So guys, right here, this one here, so this plant right here is in my greenhouse. I do have a lot of room, so I'm leaving it, let it just run. See, like this here, I'll leave this for another 2-3 days. This guy right over here is pretty good. I'll pick him. And there's a lot of stuff coming around, all the pretty flowers already. So I do have bees come in here and pollinate, so that's pretty good. So guys, first of all, this container is a 3-gallon size, and as always it has about 6 to 8 holes on the bottom. Most of the time it's recommended to plant one plant per container sometimes, but in this case I have two. I have one to the left, one to the right, and so far it's been growing, pretty good. I wouldn't say the best or the worst. It's producing, so it's good. It's not bad. So that's what we want. We want our plant to produce more fruit. So this right here, guys, the only thing, like, today was 80 degrees, so with the 80 degrees weather I had to water this twice. I water it in the morning, and then I just literally water it back right now in the evening. It's around 6, so it was dried up, and now it's getting back a little better. So basically, another thing too, guys, stuff like this, dead flowers and stuff like that, I gotta cut them off. Stuff like this we cut off. It's good. And another thing, I would say, like, if your plant is growing up from your main stem, you could cut off a few stuff. Like this one I could have cut off, but I waited too long and it started, producing stuff, so I just let it go. Same thing here. Yeah, it's just growing, and then I like, all right, fine, I'm just gonna leave it. But this one right here I could probably snap off. It's just like two stuff. This one is dying. That's all unnecessary stuff that we don't need. So I literally have to go through this plant still and do a good pruning. But as you can see, it's still running, and I still have more stuff. So there's a lot of fruit coming around. My tip for you guys, if you want to plant your cucumbers in a container, I would say do one. But if you don't have space and you want to do it like me, you could do two. Do two plants. Try to keep them, side by side. One run to the left that way, and then one run to the right that way. So they're not like on top of each other. And as I said, guys, water is the main key though. If you're doing two plants per container, water, because these guys they produce a lot of, they need a lot of water to grow. So, these guys are good. You could just peel. I would recommend, guys, peeling the skin if you want to eat it inside. I don't know. I had a couple of them. They were a little sour, the skin. So definitely peeling it. But if you're making pickles, oh my God, these guys are awesome for making pickles. Simple stuff like any dead leaf, any, like, look like they got some disease or anything, cut them out. Like this one right here, I just don't like these spot stuff. I'll cut that out soon. Most of these leaves, we don't need them. So whatever, like this area, I couldn't see anything here before, so I clipped a whole bunch, and it's going good. It's going great. So definitely, if you're thinking to plant your cucumber in a container and you want to do more than one, as you could see, this is proof you could do two. You need a lot more water, and I would say definitely some kind of plant food or calcium or something to help the plants to keep the soil rich and everything for the plant. So if not, these guys take a long time to produce, and they could die. So definitely plant food, I would say, guys. Go organic, organic plant food, or calcium. They have spike, but if you do like that, they just break right off. So don't just like grab it like that, because you could get poked up. So definitely break them off as you cut it. So let me cut one of them and show you guys. So basically what I'll do, I'll cut this off right here and just take my pruner and scrape it down a little bit. I'll cut these two guys off right now. So I'm holding this camera to one hand, so alright, so let's see. Alright, time. So basically, this is what I do. I'll just come like this, and whatever spikes, clip that right there, and whatever spikes is on it, flip it around, and then that's it. Alright guys, so I basically just cut these guys off and you know, get the spiky stuff off. And this, I definitely, I peel the skin if I'm not making any pickles with these guys. I'll peel the skin off. It's fun, you know. It's really excited to,
You
you know,
got free?
yeah. My daughter's so excited. So it's always fun to, you know, to just pick it and know that you grow this from seed, and it's very successful, you know. And guys, hopefully, guys, this video is helpful. And guys, please don't forget, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button, guys.